Hey, my Kali friends, when you're out hiking and you come across a wall, a nice flat wall like this, you gotta take advantage of it and do this drill. So you just need a single stick, and this drill is gonna test to see how good your striking mechanics are. Here at Kali Center, we have a huge list of 12 striking mechanic principles, and one of those principles is called the 90 degrees principle. Now this is from our basic striking mechanics, our fundamentals. So if you're a brand new beginner, the 90-degree principle means that we're gonna hold this 90 degrees between our weapon and form until our hand reaches 90 degrees left and right. And that's where we would break the wrist over if we're continuing our slashes. And the wall right here is gonna help to see how much control do you have, what's your precision like, and how well do you have your striking mechanics. Remember, this is beginner, this is fundamentals. There are times that we will break the rules, but that's in specific ranges and timings. Be a master over your weapon. Have complete control over your weapon. So to set this drill up, I'm gonna step to the wall, and I wanna make sure I can touch the wall with my left hand while my back is straight. So I don't wanna be leaning way in like this. I wanna be nice and upright and be able to touch the wall with a slight bend in my left elbow. From here, I'm gonna strike my angles 1 and 2. Okay? And I'm gonna make sure I got the hip and shoulder rotation, rotating the torso, and doing a good job at holding that 90 degrees. If I break my wrist early, I'm gonna hit the wall, okay? I'm gonna hit the wall. So we wanna make sure we're really pulling it and putting all that mental clarity and focus into that 90-degree position of the wrist. And if you have it, then get closer and put your toes on the wall, like the ball of your foot, and then do the exact same thing. And see if you can strike without breaking your wrists early and hitting the wall, okay? Hold that 90 degrees. So nice and close. Body is upright, starting from that chamber position, touching that spine, and pull that weapon through. Pull the weapon through. Okay, it's gonna work all your striking mechanics, all 12. If you don't know all 12, be sure to join my online school. That's where I teach them in numerical order. Keep your torso upright. Don't be cheating and leaning back like this. Keep it upright. Good posture, as best as you got. And what happens if you break your wrist early? Oh, you whack the wall. Don't do that. Don't do that. All right. So give that one a go. Have fun with it. And this drill is going to greatly improve your fundamentals striking mechanics.